In this series of 3 videos that I am making for creating awareness amongst the serving all ranks, today I am going to talk about insurance. The biggest risk in life is death, and that is something which a soldier is ready to face for his country. To cover that risk, the only means available is insurance. To start on a positive note, let me mention 2 schemes which are still not being made use of many of tomorrow's veterans and today's serving soldiers. The first one is a scheme called Prime Minister's Jeevan Jyoti Yojana. Now, this is a scheme which is available for all personnel between the ages of 18 and 50. Insurance is for 2 lakhs and the premium is at present 436 rupees per year. So it's a very good scheme, and all that one has to do is have a bank account, which almost everyone has, and submit a small half-page form to the bank requesting for this insurance. Another scheme which is again very good is Prime Minister's Suraksha Bima Yojana. Now this scheme is again, insurance is for 2 lakhs, but the age limit is 18 to 70. The premium for this scheme is barely 20 rupees per year. Now this insurance premium also, once you have enough, ensure that there is enough balance in the account, the premium is collected once in a year by the bank directly. So there is no risk of you are forgetting to pay the premium or anything of this sort. I hope the awareness will be created and all the ranks of the serving make use of these 2 schemes, because they are highly beneficial and you get covered for insurance for 4 lakhs by paying just less than 500 rupees per year. Now, coming to what is already there in the services. All 3 services have their group insurance schemes in vogue. However, I have certain observations about these schemes and also discuss some solutions which can be this thing. The first point about these schemes is that these are not term insurance scheme, and there is no choice for a serving person whether to take it or not take it. So why I am mentioning is that because it is not a term insurance and the premiums are fairly high. Second aspect of these all these things is that they are inadequate. Though they are revised upwards periodically along with the premiums, the insurance that is required, if one has to take a term insurance, it is required 10 to 12 times of your annual salary. Now, none of the 3 services insurance cover presently is to that level. Next factor is that all these insurance schemes are compulsorily stopped when you retire. Now, all ranks retire at much earlier age compared to the normal retirement age, and thus are left with inadequate insurance when they retire. These schemes have some extended insurance cover which is not at all adequate, and it's just a small token. Now what happens after retiring? If somebody wants to take a term insurance, because of the age, that term insurance is very costly and the awareness is not there about this, so many will not even think of taking it. But in the event of unfortunate death soon after retirement, the hardships to the family are considerable, as the family pension also becomes less, and the responsibilities about children and various other financial liabilities will be still considerable in many cases. Now, there are some unanswered questions as far as these group insurance are concerned. Even the newly launched Agniveer scheme for soldiers has got a government insurance of 40 lakhs, whereas the serving soldiers who are having it as their career, why should their insurance be not covered by the state? This is a question, there is no answer to it, but I feel that the insurance for soldiers must be provided by the state and not financed by the individuals themselves. Another aspect worth considering is, based on historical data, why can't soldiers also get term insurance so that these insurance schemes can be made as term group insurance, or the term insurance itself is provided by the government. Last but not the least is, services have their main task of protecting the nation. I am not sure if services are the best people to manage these insurance schemes, and whether they should be doing it, and whether it has its positive or negative implications. These are some of the things I wanted to discuss about the insurance, and mention a couple of policies, good government policies, which are of use and still not being made use of by many servicemen. So I hope it generates awareness. In the another video I plan to make, I'll be talking about the how to make best use of the National Pension Scheme and a couple of other schemes which are also available. Thank you.